Buddy, that's a little bit too close.
No, but I'll look. I'll look.
It's a little bit too close. Don't scare him. Hey, don't scare him.
Why?
Because then he won't. See, he stopped moving because you scared him. He thought you were going to eat him.
I wasn't.
If you want to see him break out of his shell and fly away, you got to be calm and just watch.
Okay. Now he's moving.
Yeah, it's because you were calm.
I had to come slow.
Because he's got tiny legs, buddy.
Why?
He doesn't have as big of legs as you do. But look how good his legs are at climbing up trees.
Why am I up trees? Because if he goes on my finger and it's going up, then it can climb up my finger. It's a tree. It's a tree. It's a tree. Let me climb up that tree. Yeah, I even got pockets.